you can earn up to $10,000 a month depending on the skills you have and the strategy you put in the market. Making money online is only easy when you have a certain skill and a certain strategy. That is why in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 skills that are in demand and that will actually put money in your bank account regardless of where you are in the world. A lot of people are making so many videos talking about how making money online is so easy. That's sickening, because the truth is, making money online is only easy when you have a certain skill and a certain strategy. That is why in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 skills that are in demand and that will actually put money in your bank account regardless of where you are in the world. And why all 10 of them are great, number 3, number 6, and number 9 are the highest paying ones. But I'm not just going to tell you about these skills and leave you hanging. I'm also going to show you how you can actually use these skills to make the money. Because yeah, we can talk about how making money is easy, and it is relatively easy in 2025. I mean, making money online is easier than before we had the internet, before we had social media, before we had AI. But still, you need to know what you have to do to make this money and bring the money directly into your bank account. And this is why I am making this practical video. So if these are the kind of content you enjoy and you're like, who the heavens is she? Hi, my name is Claudia Fonguh and this is my YouTube channel. On this channel, we talk about everything small business ideas, side hustle ideas, how you can make money online and how you can build wealth. If these are the kind of content you enjoy and you want to be seeing more of this, please hit on that like button. It's going to tell the algorithm of YouTube that you enjoyed this video and you want more of this video, and this channel, this video will be sent to as many audience as possible. And do not forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that each time we drop any video, you would be the first to know. Thank you so much. Now, without any further ado, let's go on to the first skill that you need to start earning money online. If you're thinking of making money on your own terms in 2025, potentially from your home, from your phone, or from your laptop, then one skill that will be super beneficial to master is copywriting. I know the question on your mind would be like, Claudia, why does this matter? Almost every online business that exists today requires copywriting. I mean, websites require copywriting, YouTube videos require copywriting, Instagram posts require copywriting. Everyone needs a copywriter, right? But it gets even better, because this one is one that would have paid you even more a few years ago. But because we have now ChatGPT and AI, people are not spending as much money as copywriters want. So let's move on to the other 9, because it gets even better as we go along to number 2 and the rest of them. The second skill that you need to be able to earn money from the online space, you need to learn how to drag and drop website designs. Now, here's the thing. If you're scared and you're like, oh my gosh, I'm not a tech savvy, girl, you do not need to be a tech savvy. You also do not need to know how to code or anything like that. Drag and drop websites only require you to have an eye for designs and the passion to work with a client that might just say, I want it to pop. I want you to put this flashy thing here. I want you to change this color. I want you to change this and change that. As long as you're patient and you are able to sit down and watch a couple of YouTube videos and learn how platforms like Wix and Squarespace works, you are good to go. You can monetize your design on websites like creativemarket.com. Number 3 is something I spend my money on every week, and the person who does this for me is cashing out every week. I'm sure she's smiling right now as she's watching this video. But number 3 is video editing. So many people are making videos these days. I mean, Everyone is making videos for content creation, for their companies, for their businesses, for their churches, and all the like. We have a lot of content creators and we have a lot of business owners who are looking for video editors. So, if you're someone who is like, I don't want to be in front of the camera, I don't want anyone seeing my face, but I want to get to the bang with a boom of a video, then you can be behind the scenes editing the videos that people are making. I mean, make someone's life easier or a content creator's life easier by editing their videos while you are getting the money. Now, let me tell you guys the secret. I found my current editor on Facebook. So if you're someone who knows how to edit videos, learn how to make your profile searchable on all social media platforms. I don't want to tell you that this one is better or this one is better. You can be lucky. Just make sure that your profile on all your social media platforms are searchable. Listen, if that's the skill you have, like I said, make your profile searchable. But if you're out there and you're not a video editor and you're like, oh, I want to make a lot of money, I love video editing, I have a thing for editing, then, like I said earlier in this video, I'm not just going to tell you the skills that will make you a lot of money, but I'm going to show you how you can get started and start earning this money. So, on this channel, we will be doing concrete things like we've been doing before. And I know all of you watching me right now want to make money online. And for you to be able to make this money is for you to learn the skills that are profitable. And that is why I partner with Skillshare. Skillshare has been so kind enough to sponsor this video. If you don't know what Skillshare is an amazing platform with thousands of classes from teachers who have done what you are trying to do right now, from video editing to web designing to even getting good with Canva. Skillshare has everything. Look at this video editing course. From end to end, you can learn how to edit videos without going to any film school or spending tons of hours on YouTube. And thanks to this partnership, the first 100 people who would use the link on the comment section and on the description, you are going to use Skillshare for free for 30 good days. And you can juggle from one teacher to the other and learn any skill that you so desire. Thank you, Skillshare, for sponsoring this video. Number 4. The fourth in-demand skill that you need to make a lot of money in 2025 is social media management. Now, I know you might not want to be on social media, but a lot of business owners have realized the power of social media and they want a social media account. But here's the thing. When someone is busy running a business, attending to customers, and then sending out invoice and delivering the services that they are providing, it becomes really hard for them to put out an extra effort in running their social media accounts. And that is where you come in. If you think you have a great social media skill, maybe because you've grown your page or you've grown other pages for your clients, then you can begin to pitch to small businesses. I mean, get the email addresses to small business owners from LinkedIn and you can reach out to them. You can reach out to about 10 different businesses a day shooting your shot. You never can tell. Maybe you can get a client, two, or a couple of clients that you can actually start managing their pages. And the thing is, as you keep pitching to at least 10 of these small business owners per day, you will definitely get a client for yourself. And the good news is, you can be a social media manager even in your bedroom. You don't need a 9-to-5 social media management job. You can do this at the comfort of your home or wherever you are. Now, I said before that if you have the skill, you can go ahead to pitch yourself. But if you do not have the skill, then do not worry, because like I said, this video is for me to give you the skill and tell you how you can get started. Skillshare is where you can actually learn how to become a social media manager. Just go to the link below, click on it, and it's going to take you to Skillshare where you can start learning. But remember, only the first 100 people will get 30 days free to learn whatsoever you want to learn from Skillshare. Another platform where you can learn how to become a social media manager is from Google. Google is actually giving out free certification courses. I mean, 100% free. All you need is your internet and your smartphone, and then for you to apply, you are applying for $0. You need just to apply. So when they are giving out the certificate, you will have a certificate as a social media manager. So you can watch this video right here. It's going to pull you through step by step how you can get started to sign up to Google, and then you learn this skill for free. Number 5. This is a really hot one right now. And actually, according to a couple of articles, including Forbes article that I recently read, this one is number 1 in demand high paying skill in 2025. And you know it is AI literacy. You know that AI is everywhere, right? AI is getting into every space. It's taking over videos, it's taking over presentation, it's taking over tech, and it's also taking over creativity and even art. See, a lot of people are scared that AI will take their jobs, but in reality, it is only someone who understands AI that is probably going to take your job. And that is why AI literacy is very high in demand right now. So if you're someone who can sit down for hours and learn and understand artificial intelligence, then you are ready for the market in 2025 and beyond. What you can do is to take your time, learn about artificial intelligence, and start producing content on platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok about AI. I mean, companies will actually call you to speak and train their staffs about artificial intelligence. Now, if you have the skill, then you can go ahead to do this. But if you do not have the skill and you want to start out or you want to earn money from artificial intelligence, then what you can do right now is to click on the link below. It's going to take you to Skillshare, where you can learn from different teachers on Skillshare. And remember, only the first 100 people will get a 30 days free trial to learn anything whatsoever from Skillshare. Thank you, Skillshare, for sponsoring this video. Number 6 is one that I find personally valuable in my life because this tool is a tool that I have used personally and it has kept me organized, and it is called Notion. Notion has been a big part of the work I've been able to do for a while now, and Notion templates specifically. People who sell Notion templates have gotten a lot of my money, and that is because I find Notion templates very valuable. So if you're someone who is thinking, I could make a Notion template and I could sell a Notion template, then get into this one. And if you don't know how to make a Notion template, my darlings, you definitely need access to Skillshare, because you can learn how to actually make a Notion template and how you can create a Notion template from Skillshare simply by using the link on the description. But remember, the first 100 people clicking on that link right there are the only people who would have a free access to Skillshare for the next 30 days. I mean, when I say free, 100% free. You only need to click on the link, you have your smartphone, and then your internet connection to be able to access any class right there that you so desire. The 7th skill is freelance writing for publications. Now, if writing has been a thing for you for a while now, and you're like, I would like to monetize this, if you already have a portfolio because you already have a skill of writing, then you can pitch yourself to publications and even big blogs. Because the truth is, big bloggers don't sit down anymore to create the blog posts that they use for their content. They actually hire people or AI to write blog posts for them. So, if you are someone who is good at researching or writing, then this is a great skill you need to develop, because publications are constantly looking for contributors. Number 8 skill that you need to get to be able to make a lot of money from the online space in 2025 and beyond is UX design. The internet is here to stay. I don't need to say this again and again. The internet is going nowhere. So people are developing websites, and every single day they are developing, every single week they are developing. And a lot of these websites and apps, need UX design. So if you're someone who is interested in designing, maybe you're a creative, don't just use your creativity to sell cheap Canva templates. Use that creativity to design UX templates, and you can sell them for a lot of money. You can sell them on websites like ThemeForest by pitching to companies every other day. And you can also find these companies on LinkedIn, startup companies, and you pitch your UX template to them. And of course, if you're interested in becoming a UX designer and you do not have the skill, then do not worry, because Google is giving out a free certification courses for a lot of different skills. You can watch this video right here, and it's going to give you step by step how you can get started with your Google free certification courses. And when I say free, it's 100% free. And the next way you can also learn to become a UX designer is for you to click on the link below. It's going to take you to Skillshare. And remember, only the first 100 people would have the free 30-day classes to learn whatever you want to learn from Skillshare. Number 9. Number 9 is what I am super excited about as someone with a great pitch decks. I know right now you'll be thinking, I have no clue as to what a pitch deck is, and that is the whole point of this video, to tell you the skill and how high in demand that skill is, that you can make money relatively because of how much that skill is in demand there in the market and how little supply is in. Here is one of those ones. Now, investment bankers, startup founders, startups, and small businesses, they are constantly pitching to get a capital. They are pitching to people to invest in their businesses. They are pitching to people to get grants, and they are also pitching for people to buy their businesses. And pitching is an art and a science. So, if they're not getting these people to create a pitch deck for them, they at least get these people to look into their pitch decks and make it more beautiful. Like I said, it's an art and it's a science. Now, if you're interested in making money online from 2025 using pitch decks, then what you can do is sit down, take your time, and learn about pitch decks. You can go to a platform like Skillshare, like I said before, click on the link below. It's going to take you to Skillshare where you can take classes for free for 1 month. There are other platforms where you can learn pitch decks, but you would have to pay an amount of money. Or you can go to YouTube and follow up on people who teach about pitch decks and learn from them. But Skillshare is giving you that for free for the next 30 days. Number 10, which is the last but not the least, is to become a voiceover podcast editor. Everyone is a podcast bro these days, and podcasting today is very valuable in the market. And while it can be a little bit cringe, this is where the world is going, and there is nothing anyone can do about it. Whether you join the moving train or you stay behind, it's still gonna go this way. So, are you going to sit there and you keep on saying, why is everybody holding a microphone these days? Or are you going to join the moving train and monetize that? Or are you going to be like, wait, everyone has a microphone nowadays and everyone is trying to be a podcaster. Maybe you should be a podcast editor so that you can make money out of this. So there you have it. The 10 skills that I have for you today that you can plug in, learn about these skills and start earning money from the online space. You can use Skillshare to learn the skills. You can use YouTube to learn the skills, and you can also use Google. There are Google certification courses to learn the skills and start earning. Gone are the days where you have to keep earning a few cents or a few dollars from the online space. You can earn up to $10,000 a month depending on the skills you have and the strategy you put in the market. Love you all, and thank you for watching this video till the end. If you haven't yet clicked on that like, click on the like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that next time we drop a video, you will be informed about it. Thank you so much, and until next time, stay blessed.